My name is Arfon Jones. I'm the former Police and Crime Commissioner for North Wales. I believe that the primary function of any government is to safeguard and protect its citizens. The attitudes within the Home Office and Ministry of Justice towards crime and punishment are antiquated and often do not protect its citizens from harm. The vision in Wales is much more progressive and seeks to reduce harm by preventing crime rather than punish perpetrators once they have harmed others. Whilst our aspirations in Wales are to address the underlying causes of criminality and to intervene early with individuals, we can only do so much with one hand tied behind our backs. While some call for powers over policing and justice to be devolved as they are in Scotland and Northern Ireland, those countries still do not have the powers to do what they want around crime and justice. If we really want to reduce criminality in Wales and safeguard our communities, we need independence so as to remove the Westminster straitjacket which prevents us introducing progressive legislation which will ensure fairness, equality and social justice for all. Diolch yn fawr.